Hey there everybody, this is Barry from the Sucky Gamers here, and today I'm going to teach you how to live stream using the Roxio Gamecap HD Pro with Open Broadcaster. Now, I have an older video on my channel and it teaches you how to stream with the Roxio Gamecap HD Pro using xsplit, which both of the methods I'm going to show you, the Open Broadcaster and my old video, was showing you how to stream with the Roxio Gamecap HD Pro for free. Now, if you buy the xsplit license, you can actually have a lot better quality, and it's actually a better way to stream than using Open Broadcaster or the free version of xsplit. But right now, I'm going to show you the best way to stream for free without having to pay for any other programs or anything like that. So, like I said, we're going to use Open Broadcaster. So if you're not familiar with it, you can just download it from this website right here, obsproject.com. So once you go there, there'll just be a download button right on the home page, and you just click download, and right down here, if you're using Google Chrome, it will pop up with the downloaded file. Now you just want to install it. It's like a really quick and simple install, and once it's installed, you will have an open, if you go to start, all programs, and then you find Open Broadcaster software. Now you have a 32-bit and a 64-bit. I've heard it doesn't even matter which one you use, so yeah, it's your choice, I guess. I use 64-bit, so let's just open it up real quick, and I'll give you a little overview of how things work. First of all, when you open yours, you won't have any scenes as shown right here or sources. So what you'll want to do first is create a scene, which we'll show you how to do that later. So minimize this for right now, and then we want to open our Roxio Gamecap HD Pro software that came with our Roxio capture device. So let me load this up. Might take a little bit. So you want to click on capture, and then you can close. Then you can close this. All right. So I have capture open, and pretty soon it'll pop up. I'm on Halo 3 right now, and it should pop up in the little preview window here in a second. Yeah. One thing you want to keep in mind is that this is the best way to stream with the Roxio for free without having, like I said before, without having to buy a license or anything like that for xsplit. Okay, so I'm just going to mute the audio for right now, but as you can see, there's the preview of Halo 3 in the background here, and let's go to tools real quick in options, and I'll just show you my settings. Right, I put the profile on 720p obviously because it gets the clearest picture of the preview. So you want to set your profile to 720p and then close it, and then you want to have this quality thing probably just like right in the middle. Alright, so now that we have this open, we want to go back over to Open Broadcaster. Now before we start messing around with this, make sure you move the Open Broadcaster window kind of like here. First, let's just create a scene. Add scene. Enter the scene name. We'll name it scene 2 since I already have one. Okay, so that would be, okay, brand new scene. Alright, now that we created a scene, we can just drag this over here so it's not covering the preview window right here. So now we want to right click on source and click on add and then window capture. Okay, you could probably call this window capture like Roxio, so you know that you're like what it is exactly and you can remember. Now this box will pop up that says window capture. We also want to move this over so it's not covering the preview. Okay, so now where it says window, we want to select Roxio Gamecap HD Pro, which is the only window I have open right now. So you just select that, and then you want to click this bubble. You want to make sure this bubble is clicked, called inner window, not entire window, inner window. And then you want to scroll down, or not scroll down, but move down here where it says sub-region. You want to check the sub-region box and then click the select region. Now this white box will pop up and you want to move this box so it covers your preview window here. And you want to get it the best you can so it covers the whole window and doesn't like pick up anything else. So basically whatever in this white box will be like will be captured or live streamed. So you want to just match it up with the edges here of your preview window. I'll just do it really quick as fast as I can. But you want to make sure you don't get any black in there from like where the video isn't. So actually let me move this up so I can fit it. Alright. Hold on. I want to get it kind of decent here. I don't want to... Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay. So, now that I have that, it says press enter, escape, or click outside the rectangle and complete. So I'm going to press enter. Alright. Now it has that sub-region. So now it says the sub-region is, 616 by 348. And once you do that, you can just click OK. And now you have your preview window selected. And now that you've done that, you can click preview stream. And as you can see, I have the screen on there, but I need to fix it a little bit. So let's click on stop preview. Now you want to right click under sources. You want to right click on Roxio. You want to click on position/size and then fit to screen. And then if you preview again, hold up. You can actually do this while it's previewed. Give me a second. Alright, there we go. Okay, so what I just did was I went to preview and then I right clicked on the Roxio, went to position and size, and then fit to screen. So now this preview window is basically your window for it's what you'll broadcast when you live stream. That's what I'm trying to say. Jesus, took forever. Now that you have that all set up, click on stop preview, and if you go to settings in this, like click on settings and then settings, you can edit your language and all that other good stuff. This is just my settings. Encoding, I really haven't messed with that. I just left it default basically. Now broadcast settings, obviously you want to go mode, live stream, streaming service, Twitch/Justin TV. Find your server that best fits you and your location. Alright, sorry guys, but I kind of missed something here that I'd like to splice in right now. I didn't show how to link your Twitch channel to Open Broadcaster so you'll stream to your Twitch channel. So let me just show you how to do that really quick. You want to go to settings, and then broadcast settings. Now I was just showing you like a couple seconds ago the server and told you select the best one for you. And this thing right here, play path/stream key. This right here, your stream key, is what will basically link Open Broadcaster to Twitch, so Open Broadcaster streams to your Twitch channel. This is my stream key. It's dotted out because if you knew what my stream key was, you could technically stream to my channel, so I don't want that to happen. So that's why it's like that. So I will show you where you can find your stream key. So what we want to do is we want to open up the internet here and we want to go to Twitch, and on the Twitch homepage you'll have this right here where it says your Twitch name. Mine's TS Gamers. I click the drop down box and click on dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll have a tab that says Live, Recorded, Highlights, Bookmarks, Editing, Activity, Stats, Stream Key, and Streaming Apps. Now you just want to click on the tab that says Stream Key, and it'll take you to a page, and you can navigate and find your stream key. And once your stream key pops up, it's like some random letters and stuff like that, I believe. You want to copy it, and then you want to go back to Open Broadcaster, and you want to paste it in this section right here. And then you want to click Apply, and then click OK. And then you're all set for that part. And then these are just my settings right there. And then video, what you want to do there is you want to have your base resolution custom 1280 by 720, which is 720p. That's what you should set it to when you do this method, FPS 30. And another very helpful thing is that you don't want to disable your arrow theme on your computer, because the Roxio game capture software back here gets really buggy when arrow is disabled, and it won't even show up. It won't even show anything. It'll just be like a black screen. So make sure disable arrow is unchecked if you're having problems. Then you can add your microphones and stuff like that, which is, I mean, it's pretty easy to figure out. You want to make sure that your your desktop audio device is like default, or is basically what's coming out of your computer, so you can have sound. Like I'll show you right here. You want your sound to come through your stream, so just put that on default, and then you can add your microphone. And that's pretty much all the settings that I use. I don't really change anything else. This is the video. Make sure it's 1280 by 720. And the audio, make sure you have the right audio device selected. And the most important thing probably would be unchecking the box that says disable arrow. So now that you have that all set up, you just click OK. And then we can preview our stream again just to make sure it's alright. And another helpful hint is that we don't want our Open Broadcaster box or window here, we don't want that covering up our preview window for Roxio. We want to make sure that they're not layered on top of each other, because it pauses your stream if they are. And another thing is we don't want to minimize this Roxio program while we're streaming, because it will like freeze the video feed. So also keep that in mind. So now we can stop preview, and then if we want to start streaming, just click start streaming. And now I am live on the Twitch and on my Twitch channel, streaming. So let me just go check it out real quick. Go to my Twitch channel, show you that I'm live and streaming and everything, if it works anyway. Yeah, alright. Okay, I'm not streaming Dota, but it doesn't matter. It's for educational purposes. Alright. Should see the video here in a second. Come on. Unless it's for... Alright, there we go. Educational purposes. Oh. We have a viewer. Okay, yeah, so that's that. And as you can see, it's up there. It looks pretty decent if I full screen it. I'm getting some like messed up stuff, but you know, whatever. That doesn't happen really. I mean, yeah, don't worry about that. You won't have that problem, trust me. Okay, so another thing that I do is I go to whoops, not there. I go click on this cog, and I go to pop out, and that will pop out the chat, and then I can close the stream, and then I can have the chat popped out like right here. And then you have your chat, and you can see it, and you can interact with your viewers and stuff, and then you'll be set to go. This is basically my setup that I use. and this is how you live stream with the Roxio Gamecap HD Pro using Open Broadcaster. And like I said before, some useful hints is that you don't want anything covering your preview window, and you don't want to minimize the Roxio window, because it'll freeze your video. So anyway, guys, I really hope this helped you. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, and if you can describe any problems you're having or anything like that, I can for sure get back to you. I'll reply to anybody's comment who needs help, as long as I can help you. So yeah, like I said, hope this helped. Learning how to stream for free without having to buy any licenses or anything. And I will see you guys later.